Okay, hello YouTube. I'm here with my retarded friends. Hey, you guys don't know a thing about this dirt bike. I just got this new 04 Honda CRF 100F, and it is awesome. We have it running. Here, I'll rev it up a little. No, dang it. I don't know how this works. I got this kind of as a present, I guess. And it is awesome.
It is beautiful.
Yeah, it is pretty beautiful.
Feel the leather.
Shut up. They don't care right there on the leather. No. Don't touch the gas. Hey, just stop.
It's just funny.
Okay. It is awesome. Yeah, that's right now.
Wait, are we going to be able to drive it around?
No, we're not driving it around.
Okay, then I want to
No! Yeah, they're pretty stupid. They thought it would go forward when they kick-started it.
Hey, I was able to kickstart it, you won't, so quiet.
No, I can kick-start it.